everyone, this is my road bike. It's well used and abused by me for the last year and a half, and it's time to be upgraded. And I will start with the gears first. Shifters, cassette, derailleurs. The reason for that is my trusty old Sora shifter, Sora 3000. It's not working properly. There was a slight issue when I took the bike. It's a second hand. I took it from eBay. In order to shift in the front, I need to put pressure here on the metal piece that is engaging the ratchet. So when I put pressure with finger, it works okay, but when not, it's impossible to shift. And it's getting worse and drives me crazy lately. The bike, it's not looking in best shape. It's dirty, there is scratches. I'm riding it mostly during the autumn and the winter. On the other part of the year I'm riding mountain mostly. So yeah, now it's time to be upgraded. And of course I'm absolute cheaphead regarding my road bike. It will be done. I will do it with AliExpress parts and second-hand parts. And the other reason that I need to change the gears and the derailleurs mostly. First one, look at the adjuster bolts of the front derailleur. It came to me like that. It's a second-hand bike. There is no way to get these bolts out. I have no adjustment on the front derailleur despite on the cable tension. I cannot turn them. They are completely stripped. And the other thing is probably the Sora. It's ridden hard and it's ridden for a very long time dirty. But look at the play of the rear derailleur. Let me show you. Look at that. It's still shifting okay, but yeah, the pins are worn out, totally worn out, and the place it's enormous. So that's why I decided to upgrade it first. Probably the best upgrade for the first will be a decent set of wheels. These are really basic Alex Rims ones, but they served me well. And yeah, now let's show you the parts. Ultegra rear derailleur 6800, Ultegra R8000 front derailleur, SRAM PC1110, probably the lightest and the most durable 11-speed chain at this price range. It's without the fancy coating for anti-corrosion resistant and stuff, but if you use the proper loop on it, it never rusted, so it's fine for this purposes. The shifters, MicroNew R11, the cheapest shifters that you can find on AliExpress. I saw a review in Trace Velo channel. They are pretty decent quality by feel. Yeah, it's good clicking noise. They are a bit old school with this gear cable from a side, but I don't really care about the looks. I want them to work fine. This is the rear one, 11 speed. This is the front one, aluminum shifters. I think they are around 50 euros or $55–6 on AliExpress. I will make a price breakdown in some point in the video. So really basic bar tape, a black one, nothing fancy, the cheaper stuff that I can find locally. Here, this is my cassette. It's from a brand ZTTO. They make decent quality stuff. I have a derailleur hanger too from them. I have a stems from them on other bikes, so it's decent quality. 11-speed cassette, 11 to 28 teeth, steel cassette, should be durable. It's about, as for the weight, it's 10 to 20 grams heavier than 105 cassette, but the price is around the half the price of 105 cassette, so it's, yeah, quite good. And yeah, that's it. Let's start.
Кайфаю, что сморознируется.
Да. Okay, short-term review. The shifters, as for a feeling, they feel great. They feel great in the hands. The shifting actually is quick and snappy. It works perfectly with the Ultegra derailleurs. I'm impressed, to be honest. For that price, it's nothing more to expect. The only drawback that I found, that I didn't look through when I bought them, is that they don't have adjustability in a way how close to be to the handlebar. But for anything else, they are just perfect. The bike is in the winter setup at the moment with flat pedals, but yeah, it's because I was giving them a shakedown in the city for the last 200 Ks, so it's a short-term review, but they feel just great. This is to shift up the cassette at the back, this to shift down the cassette, the same at the front. This is for the big ring, the small button is for the to go back to the small ring. The buttons are great as a feel. The clicking noise is nice. Well, it's not as distinct as a Shimano one, but for that price it's just perfect. The buttons are okay for shifting from the drops also. Let me show you. Yeah, you can shift up the cassette, down the cassette. Yeah, it's okay.